stood silent beneath. When I awoke from slumber, I was healed. When I awoke from slumber, I was anointed. When I awoke from slumber, I was finally saved. When I awoke from slumber, I was complete. And I stood silent beneath trees. And I stood silent beneath. Who would think that in these graceless days of language upside down and words turned to horns, among the quiet there's a place to be once more, among the dryads and unicorns. And I stood